Hello you guys and welcome back to Vlogmas, day 1. I'm just sitting here waiting for Amazon to deliver my brand new Christmas tree. I decided to go with the pencil Christmas tree this year because my living room isn't very big and it seems to take up so much room. So this year we're doing a pencil Christmas tree. So I'm super excited to... Did you guys hear that? Is it here already? Hold on, let me check. It has arrived! Well, I mean, let's don't dilly-dally around. Let's just go ahead and get this opened up and see what it looks like. I picked it up on Amazon. I didn't really see any pencil trees that I liked in the local shops, so I went ahead and picked it up on Amazon, so fingers crossed that this is something good. So this tree is already kind of pre-decorated. It came with berries and pine cones on it, and so it's already slightly pre-decorated. Hopefully that makes it a little easier. Alright, let's get all the mess back inside. Instruction book. Alright, off with the box. I'm gonna assume this big guy here is the base to our tree since he looks the biggest. Pop off this purple bottom. Pop it in. Before I get this all untangled, I should definitely find the power here. Time to fluff the branches! This is like my favorite part and the most horrible part of doing this. Because it really makes a difference in how the tree looks, but it takes forever. Make sure that when you're doing this that you also remember to push some of your branches both up and down because that's how branches grow. So what do you guys enjoy fluffing your Christmas tree? Is that fun? Do you like doing it, or do you put up a Christmas tree? Do you put up a real Christmas tree, or do you put up an artificial like I do? I'm just curious. Drop a comment below and let me know. What do you do for Christmas? I really didn't know how good this tree was going to look. It wasn't the most expensive tree in the world. I think maybe I paid $130. I'll link the tree below. And I just, like I said, I picked it up on Amazon, so I wasn't sure what to expect. It had some decent reviews, but also it had some terrible reviews, and the tree was pretty to me as far as the picture goes, so I thought, hey, you know, maybe I can fluff it out with, you know, and make it look really nice, and then with my ornaments and everything, make it exactly what I'm looking for. So fingers crossed that this ends up being the perfect tree, because I don't want to get another one next year. I'm ready to find the perfect ones that fits in our home, and yeah, so let's see if this one works. Alright, let's add on the next piece. Pop its bottom off. Whoopsie. And slide it into place. wasn't too bad. Now it's time for more fluffing. See how, like, it's totally empty through here. Watch how great this looks after just a little fluffing. Come down. Up. Make sure you kind of really feel for where they've pushed more than one together and separate those out as well. The more you separate them, the fuller it all will look. So pull some down, out, up, every direction. This is really coming together. I don't know, what do you guys think? I knocked my vacuum off of its dock, so it's trying to find it again. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but that's what that is. My robot vacuum. Trying to find its dock again. Well, her. I call it a her. It's the name of the vacuum is a Bobby, and the color is scarlet, so I call it Bobby Scarlett Johansson. Oh, it found its charger. So how I do this upper part is I kind of bend them down and out. Down and kind of give them a little bit of a bend up, and it'll give them that look of fullness this way. Almost done. And it lights up. It's really pretty, I think. Alright, I can't wait to get some decorations on there. Let's go get the decorations out. Now that we've got the ornaments out, we gotta decorate the tree. Let's get started. I like to start with my favorite decorations to make sure they all end up on the tree, and then I go from there. I'm gonna grab a table so I have some room to put all this out, and I'll be right back. So I've had these ornaments for years. They are beautiful crystal Christmas trees. They're really plastic, but they have a crystal look to them. But aren't they pretty? And they can hold a light underneath here inside, so if you want it to really sparkle, then you can show a light inside. I'm gonna pop one right here on the front because they're one of my favorite ornaments. It's hard finding just the right spot for your ornaments, but do you guys do that? Do you move them around trying to find just the right spot? These are another one of my favorites. How pretty are they? What is it about jingle bells and Christmas that make it so festive? Man down. Let's see if Santa can go on top of the tree. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoy this small reveal of my Christmas tree, and that you'll come back tomorrow for the full reveal, as well as the interior decorating of my home. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and I will see you tomorrow. Again, thanks for watching.
Merry Christmas to everyone.